Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Riddhi and I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to talk about this box right here. It is a Smitten box. So basically Smitten is an app which provides you some luxurious skincare products, and they also give you some 3 free trial samples, but you have to pay their shipping charges, which is rupees 99 plus GST, which will cost you around 117 rupees, because their free trial samples are not absolutely free. So what you have to do is just download their app, and then you have to fill your information, and then you have to wait for an invite code. They will verify your email address and your information, and then they will provide you an invite code. But if you want, you can use my invite code. I will mention my invite code in the description box. So after getting an invitation code, you have to sign up on their app, and then you can choose your trial samples which you want to try, and then if you really like their samples, you can go ahead and buy their full size product from their website. So now let's talk about this box. So this is my Smitten box. The packaging is very cute. Now let me show you my products which I have received in this box. So this is my first product. It is from the brand Vanavidhi, and it is a green tea natural face wash. It is paraben free, sulfate free, and it is a cruelty free product, and I really love this face wash because it does not make my skin dry. It is a very good for dry skin types, and the quantity is 30 ml. It retails for rupees 1600 for 100 ml. But if I calculate the price of this particular face wash, it will cost you around 475 to 480 rupees. So this is my second product. It is from the brand Blossom Kochar Aroma Magic. It is a vitamin C lightening gel, but I haven't used this product yet, so I don't know how it will work, and it is for all skin types, and I don't know the price of this particular product because obviously it is a sample size product, so they haven't mentioned the price of this products. So the third product which I picked up is this coffee beans face pack, and I really love the fragrance. It smells like coffee. So what you have to do is take 1 teaspoon of this face pack, and you have to mix it with water, milk or curd, and then you have to apply it on your face. Leave it for 10 minutes or until it dries, and then you have to scrub your face gently, and then you have to wash it with plain water. So that's it for my today's video. I hope you like it. If you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.